sometimes you want to add the username and the email address and their photo to your application as you're working on. Remember, this is the user that's currently logged on. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right to how to actually get this accomplished. So it's really very simple. We're going to use the user command. The first thing we need to do is make sure we add the data. And to add that data, we're going to go to Office, go down there to Office, select it and add it. Pretty easy at that point. Here we're going to want to add the image. And to add an image, you go to Media, Image, and then it comes up, and right here where it says image, you're just going to type in user. Okay, and then you're going to put a dot in there, put image, and then that image is going to pull right over. And so that's what we have here. Text equals user. There's the image. Image equals user.image. Now to add the name, we're just going to do a label here. So we can just add a label to anywhere. There it is right there. Now see text right here is what you want. And we're going to type in again, user dot full name. Okay. And then of course, we're going to do the same thing with the email address, text user.email. That's really as simple as it is. It's really not that tough to be able to add this information. Then any user that's logged onto the application at the current time gets to see their smiling face and know that they're actually logged on. And remember, as we reviewed here, we're also using that email address, that user command here, to pull open who has access to what icons. Remember, if we return this to false, now all of a sudden you're going to see an icon appear. And when we turn it to true, you don't. So see the beginning of this video or another video for how to do that.